TP-Link RE200 versus TP-Link RE305. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. And if you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing and liking the video, and also watch the video till the end. You will see this is the detailed comparison between these two. So first talk about Wi-Fi standard. 200 provided Wi-Fi 5, 802.11 AC Wi-Fi standard, and it is also provided by 305, so both are equal. Now let's look at the maximum speed. 200 provided 720 Mbps, 300 Mbps on 2.4 GHz plus 433 Mbps on 5 GHz, and 305 provided 1200 Mbps, 300 Mbps on 2.4 GHz plus 867 Mbps on 5 GHz. So 305 is better. Now let's look at the frequency bands. In 200, dual band 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz is available, and it is also available on 305, so both are equal. Now let's look at the coverage. In 200, moderate coverage for small spaces is available, and in 305, larger coverage for medium to large spaces is available. So 305 is better. Now let's look at the Ethernet port. In 200, one fast Ethernet 10/100 Mbps is available, and it is also available on 305, so both are equal. Now let's look at the signal strength indicator. In 200, basic LED indicator is available, and in 305, intelligent signaling light for optimal placement is available. So 305 is better. Now let's look at the ease of setup. Easy WPS and web-based setup is available on all two devices, so both are equal. Now let's look at the TP-Link Tether app supported by all two devices, so both are equal. Now let's look at the antenna design. In 200, internal antenna is available, and in 305, external antenna is available, so 305 is better. Now let's look at the size. The size of 200 is compact, and the size of 305 is slightly larger, so 200 is better. Now let's look at the price. The price of 200 is lower, budget friendly, and the price of 305 is slightly more expensive, so depend upon the budget. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.